In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Atom customer service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to reach a real person and get help fast. First, open the Atom app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in with your usual credentials. This ensures the support team can see your account details and assist you accurately. If you use additional verification, complete that step as well. It's a good idea to have basic information ready, like your registered email and any relevant order or transaction IDs, so you don't have to search for them mid-chat. Once you're in, head to the Me tab. You'll typically find it at the bottom right of the screen, and it's where your profile and account settings live. If your layout looks a little different, apps do update from time to time. Look for your profile icon or anything labeled Account or Me. That's the same place you want. Inside the Me area, select Support or Help Center. This is your hub for assistance. You'll usually see common topics and articles here, which can be helpful if you just need a quick answer. If an article solves your problem, great. You can save time. But if you need clarification, have a billing or repayment concern, or want to speak to someone about your account, you're in the right spot to start a conversation. Next, tap Chat with Us. This opens the support chat interface. You may first see a virtual assistant that asks what you need help with. Pick the category that best matches your issue so you're routed correctly. Clear, specific descriptions tend to get you faster, more accurate responses. When you're ready, choose Start a Chat to begin a live conversation with a support agent. If live agents aren't immediately available, you might see an estimated wait time or be asked to leave a message. Keep the chat window open and enable notifications so you don't miss their reply. To help the agent help you, briefly share the key details: what happened, when it happened, any error messages, and the order or transaction number if applicable. Feel free to attach screenshots. For your security, avoid sharing full card numbers, one-time passwords, or any sensitive codes in chat. That's it. Launch the app, go to Me, open Support or Help Center, tap Chat with Us, and start a live chat. Stay courteous, keep your messages concise, and you'll get to a solution faster. Thanks for watching, and I hope your issue gets resolved quickly.